Hey everybody, here I have the refrigerator that I need to put together for my Rolife Robo Time mini kitchen, and I have all the pieces together. I'm going to put together the back vent first and see if that snaps into place, and it's a go. Now for parts of this video you'll just hear music. I'm doing voiceovers now, and as you see, I'm having a little bit of trouble pushing everything together. So it took me a little while, even though it's a very, very, very tiny appliance, and didn't seem like it needed that much time for me to put it together, but it did take a while. And here's the temperature control on the inside, which took me a while to put together, so I don't know if tweezers would have helped, because you still needed some effort to push it on in there. There we go. And next I believe I'm going to try this, not the shelves, but the doors. Oh, hey, putting the shelves in. I was right the first time. We have the first shelf and the bottom one. And then the crisper drawer is supposed to just slide on in. Here we go. Here's our freezer door. And there was something about it where you had to hook it in, but then a white piece went over top of it. And that's what caused me some difficulty. So enjoy watching the rest of me putting together the fridge. In addition, I put together the fridge and the cart on wheels, as well as a table and chair. So here you see me putting the white piece on. Then I realized you're supposed to put the white piece on after you get it hooked in. So enjoy the rest of the video, friends. You'll probably hear me again as I put together the other components for the kitchen. now I've started putting together the chair that goes with the kitchen set. And I'm sorry part of it is out of frame. I'm still learning to keep everything in frame. So bear with me. Prayerfully my videos will get better and better. And I got the back on. Now the seat. The assembly should go a bit more faster now. Let's see. Okay. Everything has to snap in together nice and tight. Oop. Let me see. I shook the table a little bit. Here's a table, complete with the plate. And some pasta. Fork. And cup. Yay. And so here is the kitchen cart assembly. This is the last part. And if you get a chance, go ahead and like this video. Hit the subscribe button. Like, comment, and share it. Help me to grow my channel. Thank you all. And I'll let you all watch the assembly from here on out. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. It's going to be an awesome kitchen in the end.